In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Google Drive, providing you with the ultimate guide for managing your audio files seamlessly. Whether you're looking to store, share, or simply back up your favorite tunes, Google Drive offers a reliable platform with ample storage space. Let's dive right into the steps to ensure your music finds a safe home in the cloud. First off, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already there, open your preferred browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Here, you'll be met with your Drive dashboard, which shows all the files and folders you already have. Now, to organize your music files better, consider creating a new folder. You can do this by clicking on the New button on the left side of your screen. Once clicked, select Folder. Name it something like My Music or whatever makes sense to you, and hit Create. This step just makes it easier to locate your music later among other files. Once your folder is ready, it's time to upload your music files. Find the New button again, and this time, instead of clicking Folder, hover over File Upload. Once you select that, a window will open, allowing you to search through your computer for the music files you wish to upload. Navigate to the desired files, select them, and click Open. The upload process will begin, and you'll notice a small window at the bottom right of your screen showing its progress. If you have a fair amount of music to upload, a quick tip here is to compress your files. This can save both time in uploading and space within your drive. Just remember, compression doesn't affect the quality of your audio, but rather reduces the file size for more efficient storage. Once uploaded, you can access your music from any device simply by logging into your Google account on Google Drive. This is particularly useful if you're constantly on the move and need access to your playlist, be it on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Moreover, sharing your music with friends or family is also just a few clicks away. Simply right-click on the music file or folder and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share with and adjust permissions according to your preference. You can let them view, comment, or even edit the files. Once done, just hit Send, and your music will be instantly shared. Remember that Google Drive provides 15 GB of free storage, which can fill up quickly if you're uploading a lot of songs or high-quality audio files. If more space is needed, Google offers various affordable plans for additional storage. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to add and manage your music via Google Drive. With these steps, your tunes are a few clicks away anytime you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.